Welcome to our Java programming tutorial series. In this episode, we're diving into the fundamental concept of classes and objects. But first, let's understand what classes and objects are in the context of Java. Imagine you're in a classroom. The class itself represents a blueprint or template. It defines the common properties and behaviors of its students. Now, each student in the classroom is like an object. They have their own unique characteristics, such as name, age, and grade. Similarly, in Java, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the properties and behaviors that objects of that type will have. Let's dive into some code to illustrate this concept. In this example, we've defined a class named car with 3 instance variables: brand, model, and year. We've also created a constructor method to initialize these variables and a method named displayInfo to print out the car's information. Now, let's understand how objects are created from classes. In the main class, we've created an object myCar of type car using the new keyword. This object has its own set of properties, distinct from any other objects created from the car class. And finally, we called the displayInfo method on the myCar object to print out its information. And that's the basics of classes and objects in Java. They form the foundation of object-oriented programming, allowing you to create reusable and organized code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. See you in the next video.